There are so many ways to fix your credit, but I want to show you a 7-step process so you can use Dispute Panda plus my process so you can knock the credit bureaus out. So with that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get right into it. What's up, credit champion? I know y'all winners because I know y'all want to make the credit bureaus throw in the towel. So here's what we need to do. I'm gonna walk you through this 7-step process. So first things first, step number one, you have to create a free account with Dispute Panda. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and click the link in the description. Once you sign up, you'll get an invite. Once you have your invite, go ahead, log in, create your profile. But you can't use the same email that you use when you signed up, all right? Because technically this is a business. So when you create yourself a profile, you need to use a separate email address, all right? Now, once you have your profile, you have everything. Step number two, you have to get credit monitoring, all right? So go to Identity IQ. And once you go to Identity IQ, I have a link in the description, 7-day free trial for just $1. Once you have your Identity IQ, you have to log in. What you want to do is go right here to the left and click on training, all right? So once you watch this training, it's going to show you how to link Identity IQ with Dispute Panda, all right? It's going to be able to upload those accounts to Dispute Panda and anything that's technically on your credit report, all right? So once you have that, step number two, what you want to do now, step number three is upload your identification, all right? So you're going to be able to upload your identification. So proof of identification, your driver's license, right? Take a picture, a clean picture of your driver's license. Take a clean pictures of proof of address, all right? So use a bill, take a clean picture of that. Now, once you have that, you can add another form of identification because you already know the credit bureaus like to say, hey, I can't verify you. So if you want to add another identification, you can go ahead and do that as well. But most importantly, if you're having trouble uploading your identification, having trouble getting your credit report uploaded to the software, next just click on contact us and reach out to the support team, and they'll be able to guide you or help you or link it together for you or upload the identification for you, all right? So if you're having trouble with that, now after you do step 1, 2, and 3, now what you want to do, step number 4 is, of course, sending off our first attack, all right? So you're going to be able to, you're going to click on dispute and then it should already select all the negative stuff for you, all right, or the inquiries for you. So click on attacks or click on save filter. And once you save filter, it's going to say completed. Now you're ready to send off your first attack, all right? Now, once you click on start new round, you want to go to static letters, because what we're doing is we're cleaning up our personal information first, all right? So step number 4 is clean up your personal information. So clean up your personal information. You want to click on personal information letter and bam, start round, all right? So now all you have to do now is just type in confirm, all right? It's not going to charge you $17. It's free for static letters. All right, so click on start round. Once you click on start round, it should generate your letter. And then after that, after you got your personal information letter, you want to, this is going to be able to mail off. So you're going to click on mail off. Now, once you click on mail off, you can send this to the credit bureaus, all right, to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Next, after you do that, you want to click on start new round again. This is step number 5, right? And step number 5 is you want to freeze, or you want to knock the snitches out. I'm about to say freeze. You want to knock the snitches out as well. All right. So how you knock the snitches out as well is you can click on static letter. And once you click on static letter, then you want to go down to the like LexisNexis, CoreLogic, SageStream, Innovis. All right. You just want to click on all these secondary agencies, and then click on Clarity, DataX, MicroBill, Factor Trust. And once you click on all of them, next what you want to do is click on start round, and it should go ahead, click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, like I said, it's free to send out static letters. And then once you click on your static letters, once you send out, you're going to be able to send this out as well. And you can print them off. It's up to you. All right. So you can print them off and send them out yourself, or do it through this system. Now, once you do print them off, send them out, or do it through the system, next what you want to do is step number 6. All right. Step number 6 is sending off your first attack. All right. So your first attack should be something a little bit different. All right. A nerve attack. So this one is going to be able to dispute all the accounts at one time. All right. So I like to use handwritten font. And then what you want to do is click on the Supreme Boosted. All right. Supreme Boosted. It has additional AI, Metro 2, and everything else that's included with this software, right? What makes it like the best. So you're gonna have Metro 2, you're gonna be able to have AI. So AI basically is, you already know, artificial intelligence. So based off of what happened before with other people, is gonna be able to generate the best attack for you, right? So this right here is just first, hey, let's get this round off. Now, once we get our first round off, of course, we gotta wait 30 to about 35 days. All right. So just give it a little bit of time, because you have, from the time you click on start round and then you click on confirm. And then once you do that, you're gonna be able to print them out. I mean, you're gonna be able to mail them out from the software, but you want to do certified because you want to be able to track to make sure the credit bureaus got it. Now, once the credit bureaus receive it, you have 30 days from the time they receive. They're supposed to, do their investigation and come back to you. All right. Now, just give it a little bit of time. I say about 35 days, because you want to give it a little grace period, so the credit bureaus can respond back to you in due time. All right. Because sometimes if you wait, let's just say you did 30 days and you didn't give it like an extra 2 or 3 days, typically what happens is the credit bureaus probably were to respond by the time you send off your next letter. Now you have to wait some more time. So don't do it. All right. Just give it time, wait about 35 days, and then send off your second attack. All right. And I'm going to show you how to send off your second attack if the credit bureaus do one of these things.
Now, we just waited 30 to 35 days, right? Typically what happens, the credit bureaus deleted your accounts, congratulations. Or the credit bureaus didn't respond to you, a violation. Or the credit bureaus verified your accounts, but I'm pretty sure they didn't update or modify, and that's a violation. So I want to show you what to do next in Dispute Pandas so we can knock the credit bureaus out.
The credit bureaus said, hey, your accounts got deleted, which is good. Or the credit bureaus verified your accounts, or the credit bureaus didn't respond to you at all. What you want to do now is just click on static letter. All right. So click on static letter. Now you can either use failure to respond, or how did you verify this account, like method of verification. All right. So 15 USC 1681, a method of verification, or all right, or we want to use failure to respond to the letter. All right, so you just click on either one of those letters. So if they didn't respond to you, print this off, send it to the credit bureaus, either TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax. Or what you want to do is, if they didn't respond, you want to ask the method of verification, because they're supposed to provide you a description of what happened. All right, and if either one of those things, just print them off, send it to the credit bureaus, certify, and that's what you want to do next when it comes to Dispute Panda and how you use it.
I want to show you a secret attack so it can help increase your chances so you can knock the credit bureaus out. And all you got to do is just click right here and watch this video right here. So just go ahead, click on it, watch it so you can knock the credit bureaus out.